What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Football View. I know most of you might have seen the news. Mudasiru Salifu will be joining Cristiano Ronaldo in the Saudi Arabian League. Now, Kotoko released a statement announcing that the player has earned his loan move at Sheriff Tiraspol and now will be going to Saudi Arabia to join Al-Batin. Let me read the official press release from Asante Kotoko. It says, after a successful period of loan with Moldova champions FC Sheriff Tiraspol, Salifu Mudasiru has joined Al-Batin in the Saudi Arabia Pro League on loan until the end of the season with an option to make the move a permanent one. The 25-year-old combative midfielder will continue his career at the Gulf after joining FC Sheriff on loan, where he made 21 appearances in all competitions. Mudasiru joins Hafa Al-Batin, an Eastern Province-based club, with the hope of helping them to move up in the league, as he will add enormous quality to bring the best out of his teammates at the Al-Batin Club Stadium. We wish our former player all the best in his newfound home. Now, most of you don't know that Al-Batin are sitting at the bottom of the Saudi Arabian League. They have only 1 point from 10 games, and Mudasiru going there will be like a step to move them upward. So I hope he goes there and actually shows them his quality and help them, escape relegation or move up to the top of the table. So breaking news, Mudasiru is not returning to Asante Kotoko. He is joining Al-Batin in Saudi Arabia, the same league Cristiano Ronaldo has just joined. Mudasiru will be going the other way, joining Al-Batin that sits at the bottom of the table. I hope you did enjoy that. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time, guys. Goodbye.